Good afternoon, officer. I hope you are having a wonderful day today.
Good afternoon. Please put your bags here on the metal table for inspection.
Of course, here they are. This is my large suitcase and my small backpack.
Thank you. Do you have anything to declare to the customs today, miss?
I am not sure. I have some personal clothes and many English books.
Books are usually fine. Are you here for work or for a holiday?
I am a teacher. I am here to teach English at a local school.
That is a noble job. Where is the school located exactly, Miss Emma?
It is in the city center. I am very excited to meet my students.
I see. Do you have any food or fresh fruit in your bags?
No, I don't have food. I only have some chocolate for the children.
Chocolate is permitted, but I must check for meat, plants, or seeds.
I have no plants. I only have paper, pens, and my favorite old camera.
Please open the suitcase. I need to see what is under the clothes.
I will open it now. It is a bit messy because I packed quickly.
Don't worry, most suitcases are messy after a very long flight like yours.
That is true. It was a 12-hour flight from my home country.
12 hours is long. Are you feeling very tired or dizzy right now?
I am a bit tired, but the fresh air here makes me feel better.
Good. I am looking at your declaration form. It looks very clear.
I tried to be honest. I wrote down everything I have in my bags.
Honesty is the best policy. It makes my job much easier and faster.
I am happy to help. I want to follow all the rules here.
I am starting the inspection. Please stand back just a little bit, please.
No problem, Officer Miller. I will wait here near the blue line.
This is a very heavy bag. You have many heavy things inside, Emma.
Yes, books are quite heavy. I have many stories for the young children.
The Brave Little Lion. This looks like a very nice story.
It is a classic. My students love the pictures of the golden lions.
What is this metal box? It looks very strange on my screen.
Oh, that is my tea set. I love to drink hot tea every morning.
Is there any loose tea inside, or are they only tea bags?
They are only tea bags. They are sealed in small plastic bags for safety.
That is fine. We only worry about large amounts of loose tea leaves.
I see. I only have 20 tea bags for my first week here.
And what is this? It looks like a small, soft, brown animal.
That is my teddy bear. His name is Barnaby, and he travels everywhere.
Welcome to our country, Barnaby. He looks very soft and very clean.
I washed him yesterday. He is a very clean and very polite bear.
I am moving the clothes. You have many warm sweaters in your suitcase.
Yes, I heard it is cold. I want to stay warm in winter.
It is very cold in December. You will definitely need those thick sweaters.
I have my winter coat too. It is at the bottom of the bag.
Good. Do you have any liquids? Any perfume or expensive alcohol, miss?
I have one small bottle of perfume. It is only 50 milliliters, officer.
50 milliliters is okay. The limit for perfume is much higher than that.
That is great news. I also have some shampoo and some hair soap.
Are the bottles closed tightly? We don't want a mess in your bag.
Yes, they are very tight. I used a lot of tape on them.
Smart girl. Now I need to check your teacher's equipment, please.
These are my flashcards. I use them to teach new English words easily.
Apple, table, friend. These are very simple and very useful words.
Yes, we start with the basics. My students are only 6 years old.
6 years old is a fun age. They learn very fast at that age.
They do. They are like little sponges for new sounds and new words.
Why do you have so many pencils?
I see at least 50 pencils.
They are gifts. I want to give a new pencil to every student.
That is very generous. Are they special pencils from your home country?
Yes, they have little flags on them. The children like the bright colors.
This is not a commercial amount, so they are free of customs tax.
Oh, I am so glad. I was worried about the tax for the gifts.
No, for gifts under a certain price, you don't have to pay.
Thank you for explaining that. The rules are a bit different in Europe.
Every country has its own laws. My job is to explain them clearly.
You are doing a great job. I feel very comfortable talking to you.
Thank you, Emma. Now let's look at this big dictionary you have.
That is for me. Sometimes I forget words too, so I check them.
Even teachers need help sometimes. Nobody knows every single word.
Exactly. Language is a giant ocean. We are all just swimming in it.
That is a beautiful way to say it. You are a true teacher.
I love my language. I want my students to love it too, officer.
I am sure they will. You have a very positive and kind energy.
Thank you so much. I hope to be a very good teacher here.
I have no doubt. Now I must ask about prohibited items again.
I am listening. Please tell me what items are not allowed here.
Do you have any weapons, any knives or dangerous tools in here?
No, absolutely not. I only have a small pair of paper scissors.
Paper scissors are okay. Are they in your checked luggage or backpack?
They are in my suitcase. I know the rules for the airplane cabin.
Good. Do you have any large amounts of cash, more than 10,000?
Oh, I wish. No, I only have $500 for food.
500 is fine. You don't need to declare that small amount.
What about medicine? I have some aspirin for my frequent headaches.
Aspirin is a common medicine. It is allowed for your personal use.
I also have some vitamins, vitamin C and vitamin D for the winter.
Vitamins are safe. They are not prohibited by our customs law today.
That is a relief. I need my vitamins to stay healthy and strong.
Do you have any tobacco, any cigarettes or cigars in your bag?
No, I don't smoke. I think smoking is very bad for the lungs.
I agree with you. It is a very expensive and unhealthy habit.
Do you have to check every person? The line is getting very long.
We check many people, but we don't open every single suitcase today.
Why did you choose me? Did I look very suspicious to you?
No, you looked very nice. We do random checks to stay safe.
I see. It is like a surprise test in a school classroom.
Exactly, and you are passing the test with a perfect score.
I am a good student today. I want to get an A.
You are getting an A+. Everything in your bag is legal.
Perfect. Can I close my suitcase now? I want to move on.
Yes, you can close it. Be careful with the zipper, it's tight.
The zipper is fixed. Now, do I need to sign this white paper?
Yes, this is your customs declaration. Please sign at the bottom line.
Should I write the date too? Today is the 25th of December.
Yes, write the date and your full name. Use this blue pen.
Emma Woodhouse. There, it is finished and signed.
Thank you, Emma. I will stamp your form with my official stamp.
I love the sound of the stamp. It makes everything feel so official.
Now you are officially cleared by customs.
Do I keep this paper or do I give it to you now?
I keep the paper. You only need your passport and your luggage.
I have my passport in my hand. My luggage is on the cart.
You are very organized. Most people lose their passports in the airport.
I have a special pocket. I never leave my passport in the open.
That is a very good habit. An airport is a very busy place.
Is the exit far? I need to find a taxi to the center.
The exit is just 200 meters away. Follow the green signs. But wait, I have a small gift for a good teacher.
A gift? For me?
That is very unexpected and very kind.
Hands her a map. This is a map of the city's bus lines.
Oh, this is perfect. The taxi is expensive, so the bus is better.
The bus is very cheap. The number 10 bus goes to your school.
You are so helpful, Officer Miller. You are a very kind man.
It is my pleasure. We like to have good teachers in our city.
I will do my best. I will teach the children many new things.
I am sure you will. Now, take your things and have fun.
Welcome to our country, Emma. I hope you love your stay here.
Thank you so much. I am already starting to love it because of you.
That is nice to hear. Have a safe trip to the city center.
Goodbye, Officer Miller. Have a very quiet and peaceful shift today.
Goodbye, Emma. Good luck with your first English lesson.